You searched how to buy shares of Binah Capital Group Inc., a publicly traded company on NASDAQ under the ticker BCG that operates in financial services. And this video explains the steps simply and clearly. It is educational and not financial advice. To make a purchase, you need a broker, and we will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an ID document, and add funds before buying. Use the platform search box to type the ticker BCG and select the matching Binah Capital Group Inc. listing from the search results to ensure you have the correct stock. On the asset page, review the company summary and the price chart, check the exchange is NASDAQ and the ticker is BCG, and confirm this is the correct Binah Capital Group Inc. listing. To place the order, click Invest, enter the amount you want to buy, review the order details, and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, your order may be queued until it opens. And if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the purchase. After the trade, your new position will appear in your portfolio. And if you want to follow these steps, the eToro link is in the description.